going on, guys? This is my new 2020 Subaru WRX. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this is my new daily driver. Yeah, I've had this car since about a week now. I'm really liking it. I traded in my Infiniti G35 as it was just getting old. It was from 2005, so it had a lot of miles on it. It was making some issues, so I said, okay, let's have that go. Let's get a more fun daily driver. And I wanted to go with a stick shift. I was looking also at some Focus STs, RS, something like that. But I really liked how the WRXs looked and handled. I'm liking hatchbacks, but I also like the limousine look of the cars, or the coupes, better. And so I went ahead with this one. Really liking the black on black. As my Shelby is pretty much similar to that from the looks. So went ahead with the black wheels, black exterior. This car is all stock, so there's nothing done to it, not even tint. As you can see, this is probably one of the first things I'm going to do to this car. But yeah, other than that, it's got the premium package, or the higher package, I don't even know what it's called. I think it's called Popular package or something. It's got the nice seats, they really grip. I took it through some turns the other day, and that felt really nice. I've got the STI short throw shifter, really liking that. Got the bigger screen, as this is a model year. And yeah, altogether, really liking this car so far. Been really fun to drive with the all-wheel drive. It feels super safe. Even when it's raining, it doesn't break out or anything. It's got some minor defects, like some rock chips right here, which we're going to touch up on, and right here. I think it has a little bit of road rash on the wheel right here, but that's nothing that you couldn't fix. Also, in the back it has a couple scratches, but other than that, it's in really good shape. You can see it's also got the carbon fiber right here. Looking forward to drive this on a daily basis. Just having a little bit more fun with the stick than the auto. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.